A fire can break out in your home in just seconds. Working smoke alarms are your early warning system, giving you the precious time to get you and your family out safely. Studies show that a working smoke alarm increases your chances of surviving a fire by 54%. 2/3 of fire deaths happen in homes with no smoke alarms or in homes that have alarms with dead batteries. Make it a habit to test your smoke alarms each month and replace batteries twice a year. A great time to change your batteries is when you adjust your clocks for daylight savings time. Don't have a smoke alarm or need a new one? The Waco Fire Department can help. Through the Home Fire Campaign, Waco Fire, in partnership with the American Red Cross, offers free smoke alarm installation and fire safety education. Visit waco-texas.com/smoke alarm to request a free installation.